You even stayed balanced!
You could have kept pedaling. Oh, man.
Let me wear Jumper's mantle.
Ready?
Yeah.
I got caught on your little high thing. Go ahead, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Keep going, keep going! Keep going! Oh!
Put her on it.
You are so close.
I'm not trying to run the
Not yet.
That grass is gonna slow her down.
It actually is a heck of a lot harder to learn on this than it is on there.
Yep.
A lot harder. When you do it on here, you feel good on the ground.
Uncle Calvin's right.
Keep pedaling. Don't stop. Don't stop pedaling. Keep pedaling.
Keep going to the driveway, pretty girl. Keep going, keep going, keep going!
Could have kept going. You're not going to fall off your bike. You just do that. You're just going to do it all the time. You're not going to fall off. But you're doing it. You're almost there.
I want lemonade, please.
Say that again and back up.
Can I please?
Ow!
Oh.
That flippin' hurt. Did you hear it? No, she stubbed my pinky nail. I guess I can